To the representative from the students who works at Mata Law Group Matina. Let's hear it from Ms. Sharpe Alexandra Ham.
To our school administrators, supervisors, faculty, our external and internal partners, especially from Mata Law Group, and my fellow student interns, good afternoon. I am Sharpe Alexandra Ihaum from Grade 12 Humanities and Social Sciences strand, proudly representing the student interns from Mata Law Group. Today, I don't just stand here to report on hours completed, but to testify a transformation that began the moment I stepped into Mata Law. My first lesson was the true meaning of commitment. In school, being late might just mean missed lectures, but in the real world, commitment is a duty. Despite the long distance from my home and the unpredictable Davao traffic, this immersion built in me a discipline of time that I will carry forever. I also entered the firm thinking that legal work was just simple paperwork, but I was wrong. At Mata Law, I realized that these are not just papers. They are documents filled with substance. They hold people's finances, their properties, and sometimes their very own lives. Every time we face these documents, it was a testament on how we find our voice and our responsibility in the space that truly matters. I want to highlight the sense of teamwork I shared with my co-interns, Jamaica and Ishi. We learned quickly that the work of a law firm cannot be done alone. Whether it was organizing files from 1 to 700 or scanning bulk documents to meet deadlines, we had to get along and collaborate. We weren't just interns. We were a team learning that every scanned page and every notarized document is a shared success. And this journey would not have been the same and possible without the people who guided us. To Ma'am Jessa, Sir Jays, and Ma'am Allen, thank you for your unwavering support and understanding throughout this journey. To Attorney Dominic and Attorney Hers, thank you for igniting our passion for the social sciences and the law. You taught us that being an attorney doesn't always mean being fierce and poised. It means being human. Our conversation about the future is a lesson that I will guide myself in my own future. To Ma'am Cheryl and Ma'am Ruby, thank you for being our constant support. They have provided us with a sense of peace and welcoming an outlook on how a law firm truly is, showing us that excellence doesn't have to be high-pressured to be effective. To Attorney Mata, thank you for opening your doors for the firm and allowing us to witness the legacy of your practice. Mata Law will always be in my heart. It taught me to be patient when the office was quiet and resilient when the workload was heavy. It taught me to be open-minded and to see the importance of every single page I held. To my fellow students, may we all take the discipline and the substance we found in our workplace and use them to serve our communities with excellence. To the personnel of Mata Law, thank you for showing us that the law isn't just a profession, it is a calling. Thank you, and once again, a pleasant afternoon to all.
Thank you so much, Ms. Maroon. Now,